To be a landscape photographer is to be someone close to nature and who really enjoy being outdoor. And this is, for me, the most important. It's all about us to be able to discover remote places, to be able to benefit from our experience, memories that we carry all our lives. It's a huge country. You need 2 or 3 months to be able to understand how massive is this country. We all create contents and we all have our own approach to photography in a different way. You have to break the rules sometimes in photography. For me, it's for the fun of trying, the fun of being outside in nature. This is what motivates me.